Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. And I'm going to start diving into some fitness, so stay tuned for that. But if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And guess what, y'all? We doing a giveaway today. So we are doing a giveaway with Sensationnel. Here is the unit that I am giving away. It's a Butta lace unit. It is from their What Lace collection. It's the Butta lace unit that I previously reviewed on my channel in the Butta unit 18 in the color 2. If you have not seen that video yet, make sure you guys check it out. The link is in the description box below. But stay tuned for all the details so I can let you guys know how to enter the giveaway. And we're gonna be right back. So today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel, so thank you for kindly sending me this unit. It is from their Butta lace collection from the What Lace. It's the Beach Wave 20. That's 20 inches. I got it in the color T1B / Golden Blonde. It's a virtually HD lace, undetectable. And this is what the front of the stock card looks like. It's human hair and premium fiber blend. Full body movement, virtually undetectable HD lace, blends in with most skin tones, ear to ear with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting space, pre-plucked with baby hairs along the hairline, and natural and full maximum density. And this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. It does come in a bunch of other specialty colors, and this is what the back of the stock card is looking like. So this unit does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. For me, it was a plop and go. If you are familiar with my channel, you know I love me some plop and goes. The only thing that I did was I sprayed my Eben lace tint. I have it in the color dark medium brown. In the past, I used to use medium brown, but I decided to do dark medium brown. I just feel like it blends in with my skin so much more. And I cut the lace, and that was it, y'all. I left the baby hairs alone. I don't like to lay them down. I wanted to give it that natural flow, but I do love this color. This color is so gorgeous. It's so pretty. They always have some good coloring, and as you guys can see, there is like 2 different tones in here, so just keep that in mind. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not experienced any shedding or tangling with this unit. I just got it fresh out the package and I am loving it. So the good thing is that this unit is human hair and fiber, premium fiber blend, so it's going to last longer than an actual synthetic wig. But y'all, I have been on this journey to, you know, revamp my synthetic wigs. I have some synthetic shampoo and conditioner, and I'm gonna make a video on how to bring your wig back to life. In the meantime, I do have the links in the description box below for that if you want to check it out on your own, the shampoo, conditioners, and the sprays and things like that. But yes, y'all. So this unit does range on a few different websites. The prices vary. I see some for $52, $48, $52, $48, 67. So just keep that in mind. I have the Google link in the description box below. My overall thoughts for this unit is that it's cute, it's fun, it's definitely giving beach wave vibes. I do see myself wearing this on the beach, blowing in the wind. It is ear to ear, as you guys can see. And all I did was cut the lace and lay it down. I didn't glue it. If you want like a more secure fit, you can glue it. But yeah, this unit is cute. Cute, lightweight, density is nice and thick, has a nice amount of thickness to it. So yeah, y'all, I'm feeling this unit. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and we're gonna dive right into the rules for this giveaway. Okay, so the first rule is that you must like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. That's simple enough. The next thing that you have to do is in the comment section below, let me know what you like about my channel. Also, tell me if there's anything that you would like to see in addition to wigs, travel vlogs, black love, and things like that. I would like to eventually do makeup. I'm not a makeup artist or pro, but I'm going to test the waters. Like, what would you guys like to see? Like nail tutorials, story times. Like, just let me know what you think. Okay, I'm open to suggestions. So for an extra entry, you have to share this video or my post on Instagram with this unit on. It could either be a reel, it could be a photo, or it could be my actual YouTube video. Share it on your Instagram, tag me, and let everybody know it's a giveaway and to check me out. And yeah, the timeline is from today, Monday, and Sunday. The drawing closes on the 15th, and then I will call the winner on the 16th. So you guys, this is very important because some people have won my giveaways in the past and they are unreachable. I will post on the community tab the winner. So this is how you can find the community tab on my channel or any other YouTuber's channel. And this is from being on my phone with the YouTube app. And you will see where the post is. So just keep that in mind. Yeah, you guys, so I will at you on YouTube, but sometimes adding people, I don't know if you guys have your notifications on or like what, like does it go to your email? Because I get email notifications and I also get just like a regular notification from YouTube itself. I don't know, make sure your notifications are on as well so people can at you and things like that. So keep that in mind and good luck. Happy Hunger Games and may the odds ever be in your favor. I'm just joking, but thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.